Welcome back to the wildest corner of the corporate world. This is LinkedIn Zoo, connecting the wilds to opportunity. If this is your first time here, buckle up. We're talking job-hunting jellyfish, HR owls, and that one raccoon who swears he invented synergy. Oh, and parrots who know all your office secrets because they never forget and never shut up. At LinkedIn Zoo, we don't just climb the corporate ladder. We perch, prowl, scamper, and occasionally dumpster dive our way to the top. Every episode, we bring you AI-generated animals with serious business resumes and not-so-serious attitudes. So whether you're Team Perry the Parrot, rooting for Greg from BizDev, or just here to endorse an ant for being a strong team player, you're in the right boardroom, Jungle Edition. Smash that subscribe button like Greg smashing a trash can lid. Also, drop your animal plus job combo in the comments. Who knows? We might hire them next. This is LinkedIn Zoo, and business is about to get wild. Imagine logging into a Zoom call and getting interrupted by a parrot quoting your worst email mistake. Meet Perry, the bird who never forgets, never mutes, and always hits reply all. This is Perry Featherstone, executive assistant, corporate communications expert, and an inbox terrorist. Perry started his career at Birdbite PR agency, where he single-beakedly caused a company-wide Slack shutdown by mimicking the CEO's voice during crisis mode. Now at Chatterbox Incorporated, he juggles 5 calendars, 3 inboxes, and one very fragile manager's ego. Now, let's check out his skills. Passive-aggressive email writing? Check. Zoom background squawks? Check. Speed dictation? Triple check. He repeats everything he hears, especially the stuff he shouldn't. Perry's day starts with caffeine and ends with chaos. One time, he CC'd the entire board just to ask where the snacks went. So, let us watch the CCTV footage at Chatterbox Inc. Here's Perry Featherstone, executive assistant and snack activist, typing in his computer the following, and then hits reply all. Urgent. Break room B is out of crackers. CC. Legal. 47 people got the email. 2 unsubscribed. 1 called HR. Birds of the same feather flocks together? Nah. Perry flocks with Outlook. Ah, yes. Welcome to the modern battlefield. Zoom call meeting being chaotic. Here we have Greg from sales. He's muted. Again. For the 3rd time this morning. But don't worry. Perry, aka Reply All, is here. To loudly remind everyone that Greg is, in fact, still muted. Because if there's one thing Perry can't resist, it's interrupting you while you're already failing. Greg never stood a chance. The only one louder than Perry is the fire drill. Every office has that one overachiever.
You're fired. You're fired.
At Chatterbox Inc., it's a parrot.
You said what in that
Perry
meeting?
Featherstone has ruffled more feathers than any company-wide memo, and he's got the awards to prove it. Some of his awards are Best Meeting Interruption, 3 years running. Loudest Email Ping, non-digital category. And the last one, most likely to be muted during HR briefings and still be heard. Some birds fly south for the winter. But our dear Perry, he flies straight into the group chat. And that concludes another feather-ruffling day in the wild world of work. From cracker crises to Zoom call chaos, Perry's done what he does best. Hit reply all, and somehow, still get promoted. If you think your office is a zoo, just wait till next episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and tell us what animal we should feature next. Drop your wildest job animal combo in the comments. Because Perry, he's already forwarding this episode to everyone. Yes, everyone. This is LinkedIn Zoo, connecting the wilds to opportunity.